Hello kids! Have you ever seen a crab? It has two big claws to pinch others to protect itself. So let's make a crab of our own. Let's get started. The first step is to tear this template sheet out. Keep the book aside. Take scissors. Make sure you take help of your parents or friends. Cut it along the dotted lines. Once done, throw all of this in the dustbin and keep your table clean. The next step is to fold this paper into half, right from the center. Get a good crease and press in it. The next step is to have another fold, that to be in half, right from the center. Make a good crease. Done. You have to take your finger, put it inside the first flap, lift the paper from the edge and flatten it. Like this. You'll get a good triangle. Now, flap it the other side. Do the same for this extra triangle that we're getting and then fold it in the other half. So you will get a triangle like this. Now flap it the other side and take your finger again, get it into your flap and then by lifting it, flatten it down. Press it tightly. So you will get the triangle on the back side also. So you have two triangles. Great. Now what you have to do is, from this tip, the middle tip, you have to make a fold so that it looks like legs of your crab. Press it tightly. Do the same with the other side. This was with the upper layer. The next step is to use the lower layer and then fold it downwards. This was your upper layer. Now we have to use the lower layers. And then make a good fold downwards. Do the same with the other side. Yes. So now what you have to do is you have to fold this middle tip upwards to get a flat base. So once you're done with the fold, flip it upside down. But something is still missing. The eyes. So take a sketch pen. I've taken a black one and draw the eyes. And it's done. You can also play with your crab. How? Just pointing it downwards to make it move ahead. Here's your crab ready with two claws. It'll pinch you. So go and make your own. Thank you.